Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
Outstanding, and these are all friends and very inspiring, very inspiring. मैं जब भी इनसे मिलता हूँ और इन लोगों का मुझे मालूम भी है कईयों का कि इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है और बहुत तपस्या की है. More than मेहनत, it's like a tapasya to get into that kind of shape, and naturally as they have done. I think it's an amazing achievement. Amongst the ladies, I think Lara has always been wonderful. I think Bipasha is fantastic, Deane herself, and having kids and of the age that they have, especially Deane, to continue like this, I think is fantastic. So amongst the boys, yes, these are the four. I may have missed a couple of them, but really fantastic.
I want to thank everybody for being here. I want to thank Shahrukh because he's always there for me, and Chiki. Thank you. And I want to thank everybody who's been a part of this book. Dr. Ijaz, is he here? Yeah, thank you. Kenita, Shah, Millie, Caroline, everybody who's Random House who's been a part of putting this book together, thank you. Shamita, thanks. And everybody for being here, thank you.
Yeah, if I'm offered, yeah, I'd like to do it, yeah. I mean, I'm told many times not to do that because children like me, but it's a role, yes, I'd like to do it. It may not be commercially very befitting. It may not get into the clubs of crores and hundreds and 200s. But yeah, as an actor, I would like to do it. It's been a long time. Dawn is the only one that's too stylized and beautiful. It's hardly like a negative hero. It actually becomes heroic. But yes, I'd like to do some negative role. I'd really like to try it.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.